What is the purpose of consciousness? Consciousness, the state of being aware of and able to think about own existence, has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. Its purpose is still widely debated from the evolutionary perspective. Consciousness might have developed as a survival mechanism, allowing humans to make decision process or experiences and navigate complex environment more effectively. Being aware of ourselves and surrounding help us anticipate danger, form relationship, and adapt to changing circumstance. Philosophically, some argue that consciousness has no inherent purpose and is a simply byproduct of brain activity. Others, especially those from spiritual tradition, believe consciousness play a central role in self-realization and the search for the meaning in life. In the realm of neuroscience, consciousness is often thought through as of the result of intricate neural process, but how these processes translate into the subjective experience of being consciousness is still mystery. Question number 2: how can we achieve true happiness? True happiness is an elusive and deeply personal concept that varies based on individual experiences, values, and cultural background. Many people believe that external factors like wealth, successes, or relationship bring happiness, but reach suggest and that lasting happiness often come from within. Positive psychology, for example, emphasize that focusing on gratitude, cultivating meaningful relationship, and pursuing personal growth can lead to greater fulfillment. Philosophers such as the Aristotle proposed that happiness or eudaimonia come from living a virtuous life and fulfilling one potential. Eastern philosophies like Buddhism such as that happiness come from detaching oneself from desire and finding inner peace through mindfulness. Neuroscientists scientific studies show that happiness is also tied on the brain release of certain neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Achieving true happiness, therefore, may involve a mix of internal mental statue, external circumstance, and personal choices. And the next question is, what is the nature of evil? The nature of evil is a complex question that spans psychology, theology, and psychology and philosophy. Philosopher and religious thinker have offered various explanations for their existence of evil. In religious context, evil is often seen as moral force or a result of human free will to choose between good and bad in Christianity. For example, original sin explain how evil entered the world through the disobedience of Adam uh, and Eve. While in Islam, evil is linked to the temptation of Iblis, Shaitan. Some philosophers, such as Immanuel Kant, view as a result of misuses of human freedom and rationality.